November 18, 1949, tragedy struck at the heart of Igbo coal miners in Enugu, Nigeria. The miners were all unarmed, exhausted from tedious work, demanding better and equal wages. But instead, the British colonial police, in conjunction with the Nigerian police, unleashed live ammunition on peaceful protesters. When the order was given, bullets tore through flesh. Men fell where they stood. Some tried to run, while others froze in horror. By the end of this massacre, 21 miners were dead. More than 50 were wounded, and the valley fell silent, heavy with smoke, blood, and disbelief. Remember, their cause was a peaceful protest for equality. Instead, they were met with slaughter. News of Iva Valley spread like fire, and this incident created nationalists who found their voice and courage to demand the end of colonial rule. This tragedy broke the colonial spell and pushed Nigeria closer to the long road of independence.